Why are people from other tribes angry when a Bini man says he is a slave of the Oba of Benin? That post was made by a Bini platform. This Bini platform is propagating that we Anyama people are Bini people, that Ondo State people are Bini people, that Ile-Ife people are Bini people. The agenda of that Bini platform is Bini owns everybody. Everyone is under the Oba of Benin. The agenda of that platform is there are no indigenous Igbos in Delta State. There are no indigenous Igbos in River State. There are no indigenous Igbos in the South-South. The agenda of that place is to make sure that the only people that are being called Ndi Igbo are those Igbos in the Southeast. Look at the question he asked. He said, why is it that other tribes are angry whenever a Bini person refers to himself as an Oba slave? Bini people are referring to we Anyama people as Bini people. When they refer to we Anyama people as Bini people, they are automatically calling we Anyama people Oba slave. If you are not from a Bini-speaking region, you are from Anyama, you are from Urobo, you are from Ikwere, and a Bini person is referring to you as a Bini person, calling you Ovioba, he is calling you a slave. Bini people refer to themselves as Ovioba. What is Ovioba? Ovioba means Oba slave. So many Ogume people will tell you that they are Bini people because their ancestors came from Idu land. Ogume people should mention the name of their ancestors. You go to hear Igbo names. I'm talking about those ancestors that founded Ogume community. You go to hear names like Chime, Aboluaka, Odimegu, Uzoka, Ezede, Ifeloji. Those are the names that you will be hearing. You no go hear Oba Hiabon, Esigie, all those Ile-Binu names. You will never hear those names. What you will be hearing in Ogume as the name of the ancestor that founded Ogume are all Igbo names. When you refer to we Anyama people as Bini people, you are calling us Ovioba, you are calling us Oba slaves. Bini people are proud of calling themselves Oba slaves. He said, why are other tribes angry whenever a Bini person calls himself an Oba slave? Can you imagine? Whenever we say in videos that Bini people refer to themselves as Oba slaves, that they call themselves Ovioba, you go see some people they talk say, hey, why they talk say Bini people are slave to the Oba? Why are you calling them Ovioba? Why are you doing this? In Bini history, that is Bini culture and tradition. That word Ovioba is the combination of two words. The first one is Ovien, O-V-I-E-N, Ovien. Ovien in Bini language means slave. The second word is Oba. When they join the two words together, they get the word Ovien Oba. But to call the name sharp sharp, they will call the name as Ovioba. Why you think say Esan people they talk say they not be Bini people? Say they are Esan people. Because if you refer to Esan people who are not ancestrally Bini people as Ovioba, you are automatically saying that the kings of Esan people down to the last Esan person is an Oba slave. When you refer to we Ukwane people as Ovioba, you are saying that we Ukwane people from our Opaluku to the last person is an Oba slave. The worst part of it is that we Ukwane people are not Bini people. We are not of Bini origin. All those Ukwane people who come and say Ukwane people are Bini people, we are Bini descendants. They are calling themselves Oba slaves. Look at what Bini Kingdom wrote about their history. They said, according to Dapa, the king of Bini governs with an unlimited authority and calls all his subjects slaves. However great nobles they may be, no children are acknowledged as his slaves till they are shown to the king by their father or their mother. The king then orders them to be marked with a proper incision. Then the children become slaves to the king like all the others. For all his people, high and low, are bound to acknowledge themselves to be slaves to the king. They say that no matter the position that a person occupies in Benin Kingdom, whether he has a high chief in Benin Kingdom and all that, they are all referred to as slaves by the Oba of Benin. That is why they call themselves Oba. Now, listen to this history of Benin. It says, the early Benin. Here, this king governs with an unlimited authority. He calls all his subjects slaves, however great and noble they are. This is Benin history that I'm telling you about. Every Benin person you see today are slaves to the Oba of Benin. They don't regard themselves as Oba of Benin children. They regard to themselves as Ovioba. Referring to we Ukwane people as Ovioba, referring to us as Benin people, you are just saying that we Ukwane people are slaves to the Oba of Benin. We Ukwane people are not of Benin origin. We are of the ancient Igbos, indigenous in Idu land. That is the reason why none of our ancestors that founded our communities are bearing Benin names. In Ukwane land, we are all freeborn. No Ukwane community is under the control of another Ukwane community. We Ukwane people, we ran away from Idu land because we are being sold into slavery. We are being used as sacrifice by the Oba of Benin. How can you now come out from Idu land, settle in Ukwane land as a freeborn, and today you are still claiming that you are no Oba, you are claiming that you are a Benin person, you are claiming that you are an Oba slave? We Ukwane people, we practice the most free system of government on earth. We practice the ancient system of government in Igbo land. A system governed by the Okpaluku. The oldest man is the leader of the community. Okpaluku is bigger than a king. We Ukwane people, we are Omu Okpala. We are the children of the oldest. So many Ukwane people, they don't know the sweetness of Ukwane culture and tradition. Ukwane culture is so sweet. No one is controlling you. You live happily. The Okpaluku in our communities are not ruling us with unlimited power. We are living happily. Instead, you dey Ogume dey talk say we Ogume people are Benin people. Wetin pursue na comot from Idu land, come Ogume land. As far as I'm concerned, Benin soil is better than Ogume soil. Benin land is better than Ogume land. Ogume is just swamp. My community Ogume, everywhere na swamp. Ogume is a very big community, we know, but almost everywhere na swamp. Ude everywhere. During flood season, now so water go spoil all our crops. Now, which person where they sensible go live Idu land where be say flood not dey spoil that place? Land where be say if they plant for Idu land, their crop they do well. Which ancestor go live that place? Come Ogume land, they talk say, we are looking for fertile land to cultivate our crops. You look for everywhere you go cultivate crops, it can't be for inside swamp. Ogume people, you people should answer the question. Those Ukwane people that are claiming Benin origin, they are Benin people. You left Idu land that is very good and fertile for agriculture, and went all the way from that place, entered Ukwane land that is swamp. Whenever there is flood in the country, where they talk say flood don't carry so many places for Nigeria, Ukwane land is not safe. So many Ukwane community go back, come up from their community, go neighboring community, go stay till that flood go dry. They can't go back to their community. Our ancestors in Ukwane land, the reason why they left Idu land to our present location in Ukwane land is because they ran away from slavery. How can you run away from slavery and still be saying today that you are a Benin person? It shows say that slave mentality, that evil Benin slave mentality, it don't enter your brain. That is because you don't know your actual history. Come Umuchime, my Oba for Ogume now, you go see so many of our elders, they tell say, we Umuchime people, we are Benin people. Our ancestor Chime came from Idu land to our present location. People that don't know that Chime is not a Benin name. People that don't know that the reason why their ancestor Chime ran away from Idu land to their present location is to escape slavery and human sacrifice. The founder of your community is bearing an Igbo name. You still dey open your mouth, they talk say the founder of your community is a Bini person. You open your mouth, they call him Oba. You open your mouth, they call him Oba slave. It's so shameful. If you don't know your history, now so insult you go dey bring upon yourself and your people. Now Igbo names our ancestors they bear. That is the reason why in Okwane land we don't observe Bini culture and tradition. We don't have Bini masquerades. We don't practice Bini system of government. We don't eat Bini food. But in Okwane land, we have the Igbo farm market days. We eat the same food that our Igbo brothers eat in the southeast. Our festivals are Igbo festivals. Our deities are Igbo deities. Top deities in Okwane land, we have Nze. All over Okwane land, so you go to see deities called Nze. How did that Nze deity come into Okwane land? We observe Nze in Okwane land. Go to the southeast, Nze deity is food that place. We observe the farm market days in Okwane land. Go to the southeast, they observe it there. The names we bear in Okwane land, they also bear it in the southeast. We call Oracle in Okwane land as Elishe. Other parts of Animal land and the southeast, they call it Alose. Elishe and Alose means the same thing. There is no difference between we Okwane people and our Igbo brothers in the southeast. We Okwane people did not originate from Igbo. We Okwane people are Igbo people. You go see Urobo community where we say they now speak Urobo, but their origin is Igbo. You go see Isoko community, they now speak Isoko, but their origin is Igbo. You see Igala community, they now speak Igala, but their origin is Igbo. Those are the people that you say that they came from Igbo. Every Igbo region that you see speaking Igbo, they are not from Igbo. They are Igbo. Okwane people, stop saying that you are Bini people. You are just calling yourself slaves. I've been saying this in my previous videos that anyone from Anyoma that is saying that Anyoma is Bini, that he is Bini, he is calling himself a slave. Because in Bini Kingdom, the only freeborn there is the Oba of Benin. Every other Bini person is a slave. I have given you people proof and evidence from Bini history. Bini historians are writing it themselves. This Bini blogger don't open him mouth, talk am. Say, why he be say, other people dey vex whenever Bini person refer to himself as Oba slave. We are not angry because you Bini people are referring to yourselves as slaves. That is your culture, that is your tradition. But you Bini people coming to tell we Okwane people that we Okwane people are Bini people, that Ika people are Bini people, that Ikwere people are Bini people. You are calling us slaves. That is why we are rejecting it. We are not angry that you Bini people are calling yourselves slaves. We are only saying that stop referring to we Anema people as Bini people. We Okwane people are not slaves. We Ika people are not slaves. Ikwere people are not slaves. The indigenous Igbos in the South-South are not slaves. And when we say we are not slaves, we are saying that we are not Bini people. When you don't know your history, you go just come out, they talk rubbish. Okwane people are Bini people. Insulting our Okpaluku in Okwane land. If you go Ikwere land, you go see so many Ikwere people that say, Akalaka, Ochichi, and Okpowagidi are Bini people. Akalaka and his brother Ochichi are from Okwane land. Okpowagidi is from Arochukwu. But because Ikwere Obadepe people don't want to identify as Igbo, they now started pushing those their ancestors that are Igbo people that founded them. They started pushing the glory of those ancestors to Bini people. Ikwere people once wrote a letter to the Oba of Benin begging him to accept them as Bini people. The Oba of Benin told him no, that they don't have any history associating Ikwere people to their history. If Ikwere people keep saying that Ikwere is Bini, they are automatically saying that all the kings in Ikwere land are slaves to the Oba of Benin. They are automatically saying that all the kings in Ikwere land are not kings but dukes and chiefs under the Oba of Benin. If you dey claim an alien identity, mind what you are claiming, because when you claim that you are not Igbo, that you are Bini, you have sold your birthright to the Oba of Benin. Everything about you does not belong to you anymore. It now belongs to the Oba of Benin. Ndị Igbo in the South-South, wake up. Anyama people, wake up. Those Anyama people that are claiming Bini origin, mind what you are claiming. If the name of the founder of your community is Igbo name, you are an Igbo person. Stop claiming what you are not. When you claim that you are a Bini person, you are calling yourself a slave to the Oba of Benin. In Benin history, they capture people from different places. Those people will now be fighting for Benin Kingdom as their army if they want to conquer new territory. Now those slaves that they use, they conquer those territories. So many of those slaves are from Igbo land, Esan, Urobo, Isoko, Igodomigodo, Yariba. All these people came together. That is the Benin Kingdom that you are seeing today. This Benin population, that was how it was gotten. They speak Benin today, but they are not of Benin origin. Those Yariba people that came with Oromiyan from Ile-Ife, they are royalty that you see in Benin Kingdom today. They don't call themselves Ovioba, but the rest Benin population that call themselves Ovioba, they are of different origin. They are being used as slaves in the olden days. That is the reason why they call themselves Ovioba. They are proud of it because that was how they found themselves. They are nothing without the Oba of Benin. And Yoma people, wake up. Ndị Igbo in River State, wake up. Ndị Igbo in the South-South, wake up. We are Igbo people and not Benin. Ishiagwale.